Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your favorite channels on Hulu. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding your favorite channels on Hulu is a great way to personalize your streaming experience. Here's how you can do it. Open the Hulu app. Start by launching the Hulu app on your device. Navigate to My Stuff. Go to the My Stuff section. This is where you can manage your favorite shows, movies, and channels. Find your channel. Scroll through the list of available channels or use the search function to find the channel you want to add. Add to favorites. Once you have found the channel, click on the three vertical lines in the top right corner of the channel thumbnail and select Add to My Stuff. Now, your favorite channels will be easily accessible in the My Stuff section, making it simpler to find and watch your preferred content. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.